This video demonstrates how the FormView control allows you to create local CSS as part of the FormView, but that CSS lives in its own namespace. So to demonstrate this concept, you can see we have a list control over here with two forms, and when we look at the form 1 over here, we can see that the city field is in red, but in the form 2 the city field over there is in green. And yet when we go back to look at the form definition, we'll see that in both cases the class name used in both forms is the same. So let's go back now to the form, and we can see there in form 1 basically the city field is wrapped in a template that uses a class called foo, and that template is defined over here as a CSS, as a local CSS definition, and here you can see that foo is defined as being red. But when we go over now to form number 2, we can see that again the template is identical, so it's basically wrapping the field in a class called foo, but that in this case the definition of foo is green. So we have the same class name, foo, in both cases, and yet form 1 and form 2 are able to distinguish between the foo defined for form 1 and the foo defined for form 2. So when we go ahead here and run this, you can see that when we tap on the row, the form renders, and you can see this is red and this is green. So what this has demonstrated is that the CSS definitions that are stored at the form level as opposed to the UX level live in their own namespace. Thanks very much for watching.